Grain markets tried to push back into positive territory on Thursday, while livestock made some modest gains. AgDay's Michelle Rook has more in today's market report.
Joining us with market analysis, Don Rose with U.S. Commodities. We did see a slight bounce in corn and soybeans, kind of in recovery mode. The funds, are they done liquidating? Are we going to see much more downside pressure?
Well, you know, what we really did is we've unwound all of the news that we had on the upside going back to February. We started the big rally. We pulled back into that 550, 580 on December corn, around that $13 mark on November soybeans. Deeply oversold, Michelle. And I think looking forward, we've got the July 12th report next Tuesday. 9 times out of 10, you kind of balance this oversold market back. So you would expect a market to find a little support here and get a rally into the report, and then take your chances on the report. But remember, we're going to dial in those acre numbers on soybeans, down 2.7 million, into this report.
So even if we have positive news, is it going to take something like a big change in the weather for this market to really recover much, or what is it going to take?
Well, I think what we really have to look at, of course, weather always does it this time of year. We've got that high pressure system that comes into the Corn Belt, then it moves out to the Intermountain West, sits there, then comes back, gives us some moisture, cool down, and temperature. But the other thing we're really looking for is the demand. If we're going to, with the supplies that we have, what's the real value of the price at this level? So we're looking for a demand-led rally to stall us out to the downside move. In other words, the end user needs to show up and cover, and that's what we're going to look for as we're competing with Brazil on corn right now, and soon the southern part of the Midwest.
Do you get much recovery, though?
Well, you know, what do we have on the upside? December corn has major resistance at $6. That was the support. And then we gapped open lower to start the week at 604.5 gap. There is still that gap at 728.5 on the upside, Michelle. That looks elusive right now. And on soybeans, the same type of thing, 1391.5 on November soybeans. And then there's that 1526.5 on the upside. Looks elusive also right now.
Okay, some things for our chart watchers to be looking for. Thanks so much for joining us, Don Rose, U.S. Commodities. Our full analysis on agweb.com. More Ag Day coming up.
For all your risk management and trading needs, call one of the U.S. Commodities specialists at 800-247-4071.